So one thing I like to do is cook at home, as you guys can see. And so I decided to make some fast food for the girls at home. And yeah, what I did here is make some homemade chicken nuggets and some French fries coming from April's Kitchen. I did list all the ingredients. And yeah, this was pretty quick, pretty simple, pretty easy. You're just going to make sure you mince and grind this chicken up really fine to give you that chicken nugget texture of the meat. And I did do 3 batches of this just because in my grinder it's not that big. But yeah, I do have my deep fryer going. The grease is getting hot. And here I'm just making the batter that we're going to dip the chicken in after forming the little nugget shapes. Now, you can form your nuggets a lot smaller. I was kind of in a rush, so I formed these the size, which is good enough, medium. I want to say medium, not too small. And here I'm just dipping them in the flour. I'm also going to do a wet batter as well and then get them right in the fryer. Now, you can put them in the refrigerator to let them cool to make sure the batter all adhere to it. But again, your girl did not have time. I was totally in a rush today. So this is basically what you're going to do. You add some water and some egg to that same flour so that can be your wet batter and some mustard. You want to make sure your water is like lukewarm, not too cold, not too hot. And then you just want to start dipping for your life. And yeah, so basically after this, you can definitely freeze them if you like. So you can have some more for tomorrow. Or if, you're making them for the kids can make them themselves, you can. But yeah, they were actually really, really good. And this is just me testing them and showing you guys what it looks like in the inside. Bring McDonald's home. Or actually bring your own food home. We don't do McDonald's over here. But anywho, it was great. And I was mixing it with some ranch and ketchup. And yummy, yummy, yummy.